Good afternoon. Welcome to our presentation. Let us discuss today the miasmatic features of head. Miasmatic features of head is very important. You can discriminate on the basis of symptoms the different miasm which plays roles behind it. Let us discuss the features of psora. In case of psora, sharp, severe paroxysmal headache is found, usually frontal, temporal or parietal, comes on in morning, grows worse as the sun ascends and decreases as it descends, better by quiet sleep and hot applications, with red face and throbbing, great hunger before or during headache. In continuation, the headache with bilious attacks coming on once a month from suppressed or repelled skin eruption from emotional disturbance, migraine may come under psora. Then let us come to psychosis, the figwort miasm, the headache at vertex or frontal, aggravated at night, especially after midnight, lying down, exertion both mental and physical, ameliorated by motion. Then let us discuss about syphilitic headache. The syphilitic headache is dull and heavy headache, usually commencing at the base of the head, sometimes one-sided, always worse at night and getting better as morning approaches, ameliorated by cold application. In continuation, psychosis coupled with psora is the basis of criminal insanity and most suicidal. Psychosis develops the worst form of degeneracy due to basic suspicion and jealousy, produces the worst forms of cruelty and cunningness. Let us discuss about tubercular headache. The tubercular headache every Sunday or rest days it comes, aggravated riding in a carriage or due to unusual ordeal as preparing for examination, meeting with stranger and entertainment, usually in forenoon, ameliorated by rest, quick sleep and eating, ameliorated by nosebleed, persistent headache not easily amenable to treatment. Children strike, knock or bound their head with hands or against some object. It is a good miasm for meningitis. Then let us discuss the miasmatic features of head, especially scalp and hair. The psora, the head is normal in size and contour, hair dry, lusterless, tangles easily, breaks and splits easily. Hair falls out after illness, becomes grey too early or white in spots, dry rarely perspiring. In continuation, dry eruptions on scalp with much itching, worse in open air, evening, warm and heat of bed, amelioration by scratching but burning and itching followed. The discharge is scanty and either of pure serum or bloody serum. They are often very painful but do not suppurate. Dry scaly brown like dandruff with or without itching. Let us come to the scalp and hair symptoms of psychotic miasm. Scalp perspires but moist matting, eruptions of syphilis absent, hair falls out in circular spot which is found in phosphorus and fluoric acid. Then let us come to the syphilitic miasm. Hair moist, gluey, greasy with an offensive odor, hair falls out in handfuls, leaving bare spots, commencing at vertex, matted hair smelling badly, large head with profuse perspiration, giving off an unpleasant odor, moist eruptions with yellow pus. Now let us discuss about tubercular scalp and hair. Hair dry like an old rope or moist and glued together, offensive odor from head with severe itching and moist metal hair, musty odor like old hay, scalp moist, perspires copiously, aversion to having head covered, head large and bulging. Thank you very much for listening. Always, apart from the particular symptoms, we have to correlate it with the mental symptoms. That is, Sora is intelligent, psychosis is suspicious, then tubercular is changeable in nature, and the trouble baby and syphilis, you will get dullness and no answer. It should be keep in mind. Thank you for listening my presentation.